Hello, this is Ravi. The other day I was talking to my sister about life in general. I was talking about how my wife Tanya and I are in a stage of our careers where we are fairly well settled, safe with a well paying job. And if we would stick to our jobs, we would have a decent lifestyle with great weekends, vacations, perks, travels, and so on. However, I also mentioned to her that there is still a biting bug within me to leave all of this comfort and safety and pursue an uncertain path towards entrepreneurship. And when I mentioned this, my sister said, yeah, human beings have a monkey mind. They're never happy with what they have. And she said in a way that was dissing it. But I want to add clarity to this point. While she's somewhat true in what she said, it's not merely about not being happy with what you have. It's about choosing a path of growth over safety, choosing growth over contentment, choosing growth over status quo. It's about asking, are you everything you can possibly be, or can you be much, much more? It's about asking, did you come this far only to come this far? It's about asking, is this the maximum limit of your potential? It's about asking, can you play a much, much bigger game in life than this? I sometimes have young people seeking advice to me for decisions they find it hard to take themselves, like should they take up a promotion in their company or should they take up a new offer they have from another company? Should they remain in their current field or should they transition into a new field? Most time it's very easy for me to decide because I use a rule of thumb. For me, it comes down to which of the two is the growth choice. And then I ask them to go for the one that provides maximum growth. Now, the fact that not everybody takes the advice eventually is a different topic altogether. Let me explain this with a small example. 2 years ago, I wanted to start a life coaching summer program for teenagers. So I made a promo video and started sharing it, and I did receive a lot of enquiries from parents. But my mentor asked me if I really wanted to go ahead with it. He asked me, what growth will I achieve by doing this project? Of course, I will make some money. I will have the satisfaction of offering real world life lessons to these teenagers. But how will I grow in the process? All growth would happen to the teenagers who would participate, not me. And that conversation was a real light bulb moment for me and gave me a filter for choosing all my future projects. Not all opportunities for me should be only about money, but it should also be about growth. Making growth a way of life is what makes your life extraordinary. Someone who makes growth a way of life, it shows in their personality. They are more vigorous, they are more vital, they are more charismatic. They are more attractive to the world. And when I say attractive, I don't mean physically or romantically, but attractive in a sense where people like them for who they are. They would want to associate with them. They would want to do business with them and so on. But whenever you choose comfort over growth, you stagnate. And it shows in your personality too. You're not as attractive as you could otherwise be. So what are the characteristics of a growth choice? There are 4 differentiators according to me. 1. A growth choice will offer opportunities for you to contribute more than what you are doing today. 2nd, your growth choice will maximize your potential. 3rd, your growth choice will often provide opportunity for massive learning. 4th, your growth choice will always involve hard work and discomfort. Growth choices are often never easy. I hope you start making growth choices in your life because it's the only way to maximize your potential. Because if you're not living to maximize the limits of your potential, you're betraying the purpose of your life. See you around. Bye-bye.